Hi everybody, this is the IB probability package. This is example 3 in topic 1. Sample space as a probability tree. Okay, a coin is tossed and a spinner on the right is spun. So they're referring to this spinner right here that's got 3 different sections to it. Okay, so use a tree diagram to show a sample space. Now a tree diagram is basically just a diagram where the branching illustrates the choices that you've got. So to start off with, let's take a look at the coin. If I flip the coin here, okay, we've got this first little branching here. It could either be a heads or a tails on that. Okay? Now, the next branching deals with the results of the spinner. Now, there are 3 different results here, 1, 2, 3. And so what we would get here was, this would be like a 1, could be a 2, could be a 3, could be a 1, could be a 2, could be a 3. And so now our results here, our final little result here, this is going to be a heads with a 1, heads with a 2, heads with a 3, heads with a 1, heads with a 2, and heads with a 3. And so there's our sample space. Now, question B says, find the probability of tossing a head and spinning a 2. Okay, well now all we need to do is go back up to our tree diagram. This is our sample space. There are 6 different outcomes here. And so we are looking at specifically tossing a head and spinning a 2. So that's the probability of a head and a 2. Okay, well that event occurs right here. And I can't believe what I just did. Unfortunately, nobody is here to correct me as I go through that. I am so sorry. This is a tail and a 1, a tail and a 2, a tail and a 3. That was so weird. There is only one outcome, heads and a 2, that's right there. And so that's going to be 1 out of 6. Okay, now, last one, find the probability of tossing a head and spinning a 2 or a 3. Okay, so a head and a 2 or a 3. So that would be the probability of a head and 2 or 3. Now you can't get a 2 or 3 together. That simply can't happen. It's got to be one or the other. So this is either the head and the 2 or the head and the 3. And there's only 2 possible events where that can occur. That's right here and right here. So that would be 2 events out of a total of 6, or giving us a probability of 1/3.